Welcome to STEM Tasks with Chemistry Applications. Today, you're not just in a classroom, you're stepping into the world of young scientists and engineers. Here's a question for you. Did you know that the water you drink could one day help power your city, your school, or even your car? Yes, water, something so ordinary, so familiar, hides a secret superpower, and by the end of today, you'll understand that secret and get ready to use it yourselves. Let's start with the big idea. A water electrolyzer is a machine that splits water into two invisible, powerful gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Water molecules might seem small and simple, but inside each one are tiny building blocks called atoms. Each water molecule is like a team, two hydrogen atoms plus one oxygen atom. All holding hands, a water electrolyzer gently separates them, using electricity as the key to unlock the energy hidden inside. It's not magic, it's chemistry and physics working together. But it feels like you're performing real-life science magic. Here's a secret that every engineer knows. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only changes form. A water electrolyzer is a perfect example. Electrical energy flows into water. Water molecules absorb that energy. The molecules split apart, creating hydrogen gas, which stores the energy like a battery, and oxygen gas, which is released safely. So, you've just learned how to turn electricity into fuel, a process that can power the world. Hydrogen is extraordinary. It's clean, no smoke, no pollution. It's powerful. It can store huge amounts of energy. It's versatile. It can power cars, buses, drones, even ships and factories. Imagine riding on a bus that leaves only water behind instead of smoke. Imagine a world where cities are quiet, clean, and safe because energy comes from hydrogen. This is not a dream. Scientists and engineers are building it right now, and one day you could be one of them. Inside the electrolyzer, electricity creates two sides. One side attracts hydrogen atoms, the other attracts oxygen atoms. The atoms rearrange themselves, join into pairs, and escape as gases. Think of it like this. Electricity is a tiny, invisible superhero, unlocking the hidden energy inside each water molecule. And that's how a simple molecule of water becomes a source of fuel for the future. Why go through all this work? Because hydrogen can store energy. Solar panels only work when the sun shines. Wind turbines only work when the wind blows. But hydrogen can be made when energy is plentiful and used later whenever we need it. It's like saving energy in a super smart battery. And it's clean, safe, and renewable. Today, you've unlocked one of the coolest secrets in science, the hidden energy inside water. You've learned how engineers take ordinary things, electricity, water, and molecules, and transform them into real solutions for the world. And now comes the most exciting part. Soon, you will have the chance to put this knowledge into action. I'm looking forward to the hands-on lesson where you will create your own water electrolyzer, see hydrogen gas form with your own eyes, and take your first steps as a young innovator shaping the future. Remember, every drop of water holds energy, and every one of you holds the power to change the world.